in Seoul, South Korea, but man, sometimes I'm like, this place is expensive. It's like I spend the same amount of money that Koreans spend on, day-to-day practical items, but it seems like Koreans are saving a lot more money than me. I didn't really realize it until like just now, but you're definitely gonna need this when you come to Korea. And that is when you arrive in that country, or even if you can before you get there, is to make friends who are native to that country. Yo guys, so I gotta run some errands today. So while I'm running these errands, let's talk about why you need to make Korean friends or try to make Korean friends as soon as you arrive in Korea, because it's definitely gonna save you some money. First stop is the bank. Man, I always hate going to the bank by myself because there's like so much that I don't understand, but I have to try to figure out on my own. So the bank turned out to be exactly how I thought it would turn out to be. Usually, like when I go to like places in Korea where you need official information, I never have everything that I need, and they're always telling me that I need something else. So this is like another reason why you definitely need to have Korean friends, because in a lot of cases, they can help you with all of the official information that you may need when you're going to the bank. It's like last night, I was talking to my landlord and he was trying to assist me with getting a new phone. I really want the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I gotta have it. So I was talking to my landlord about getting a new phone, and I just thought like originally I can just, pay money for a new phone and go to my service provider and get it activated. Oh shoot, let me cross the street real quick. Go. Oh, it's Tuesday afternoon, 2:30, and like Seoul is still so crowded and busy. I'm expecting like to be outside all by myself, to have the city all to myself, and people are out and about just like me. Before my bus comes, I just wanted to say like, yeah, last night I was with my landlord and like, he was telling me, no, he was like, you don't need to like just buy the phone. You can get like a special credit card from a bank, and when you have that credit card, then you'll pay like, maybe a third of the original price of the phone. And I was like, yo, I want to hop on that. But I'm saying like, yeah, if I didn't have my landlord to tell me about, this deal, then there's no way I would have known about it on my own. Like, I'm always paying extra money here for things that Koreans are paying like the absolute low price for. Oh shoot, here's my bus. It's coming. Let's go. Come to Hongdae to look for something to eat. I'm trying to find my favorite cafe. I forgot, I didn't even eat lunch yet. So before I go to the cafe, let's fill up. I know I'm supposed to be telling you guys the rest of the story, but man, this weather is just too great. And like, just everyone is outside, just having a good time. And man, I wish like Korean weather could stay like this the entire year. This is too good. I guess I can tell you about another instance where I really needed a Korean friend, and this is when I moved to Seoul. When I was coming from the countryside to the big city, I guess I should say, like I didn't really understand how I could, get an apartment, how I could make a down payment, how I could pay my rent. I wasn't sure about the like entire process of renting an apartment, and I had to do all of that alone. And even though I was able to do it alone, I found out later after I rented the apartment that I could have paid a much lower down payment if I would have gone with a Korean person. It's because there is a subculture, or I wouldn't even say subculture, there's just, the culture of bargaining that Koreans understand how to do between each other, that foreigners just don't understand, or maybe it's not really available to us because, we're foreigners. But yeah, I just remember that time. It's like, man, I should have gone to Seoul. I should have tried to get an apartment, you know, with my friend. I could have saved so much money instead of doing it alone. Okay, you can say what you want about Seoul, but it is very well organized and extremely aesthetically pleasing. Like, this whole city is just a joy to look at. I'm not gonna lie, I'm lost. Wait, I'm not lost. There it is. Right there, plant, the cafe. Okay. Yeah, I just had lunch, but need something sweet to eat. Whoa. Hello. Yo, this is why I come to Plant, for all of the vegan cakes, cookies, puddings. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be amazing. Yo, they got brownies, they got coffee cake. You don't have any banana pudding today, do you?
Not today, I'm
Not today. Oh, no worries. Whew, feeling so good after having that nice dessert. Dang, stomach is big though. Need to walk it off a bit. Yeah, so I even remember, like, when I was dating one of my ex-girlfriends, that whenever we would go to the movies, she would never let me pay for the movies with just like my cash or right away. She would never let me pay for the movies like when we arrived. She would always, like, you know, take out her phone and she would use an application or something. And for some reason, she would get like the movie tickets at 50% off, or even, you know, more discount than 50%. And I'm like, yo, how are you doing all of this stuff? And I just know for a fact that, you know, as a foreigner, there's no way I would be able to do that on my own. Actually thinking about like all of those times when I went to the movies, or, you know, my ex-girlfriends would get me discounts at places, or, you know, they would buy things at cheaper prices than I would be able to get them at. It just makes me not want to spend money in Korea. It makes me, no, I take that back. It makes me want to hesitate more when I'm spending money, because I know for a fact that Koreans are able to get what I want at a cheaper price. For example, of needing a Korean or having a Korean friend around you can get you things that you normally wouldn't be able to get on your own at cheaper prices, is when I went to the camera store with my Korean mom and I was buying a bag, and the salesman wanted to sell me the bag for like 220,000 won. I brought my Korean mom with me, and she got the bag for like 180,000 won. So it was marked down like so much, just because my Korean mom came with me and was able to negotiate the price with the salesperson. So I guess this suggestion that I'm making can work not only in Korea, but in other countries as well. I remember when I went to Mongolia, I was trying to buy a SIM card on my own for my phone. And my tour guide, who's like my brother now, he was like, man, just wait, just hold on, you know, I'll take you to the spot and I'll hook you up. So he did. He took me to, you know, his place, his spot, and he got me the SIM card for much cheaper than I would have paid for it at the airport or buying it on my own. And he got me more gigabytes, more data for the SIM card as well. So France, the same thing happened. I was going to the, what was it? Not the Eiffel Tower. I was going to, oh yeah, L'Arc de Triomphe, like the Arc of Triumph at Charles de Gaulle, or Charles de Gaulle. And I was talking to the service person, and I was speaking in French, and I was like, yo, I'm a student here. I have a, you know, American student card. I'm sorry, I don't have the French card with me. I left it at home. And he was like, nope. You're American. You have to pay the international visitors fee. And I was like, yo. So I said this in French. I was like, ah, putain. I was saying, like, you know, fuck, like the F word. I dropped the F bomb in French. And you know what he did? He was like, and then he gave me like the discount. So I think it's because, you know, I fit the mold of, like, you know, a French person, or I fit into French culture at the time. So, you know, he was like, yeah, whatever. He's been here for a while. He understands like the vulgarity of our language and stuff. So just give him a discount. This video's come full circle. I am going to save like $600 or $700 on my new Samsung Galaxy S24. Hopefully, if I can get all of the information the bank requires, because they always want so much stuff. Let me know what you guys think. Like, do you believe that you need to have, you know, Korean friends or friends from the country that you're living in or traveling to in order to get like special deals or discounts? Or do you think you're more than capable of, you know, getting those deals on your own? I'm very anxious to hear. Oh, sunlight. That light is harsh. There we go. I'm very anxious to hear your thoughts on this topic. All I can say is that I'm incredibly happy that I have a good core of Korean friends. The sunlight. I wanted to say that I'm very happy that I have a good core of Korean friends and family that can help me out and tell me, you know, where I can save money, where I can get special deals, which just makes me feel better. You know, living in Korea makes me feel more, you know, accepted into society, and it makes me feel like, you know, people actually care about my life here. Everyone wants to feel cared for. Anyways, that's it for today. I don't want to take all of your time. I'm kind of tired. I need to go home, edit this video, head to the gym. Tomorrow, new videos coming out. So thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next one. Take care. I love you. Stay hydrated. Peace.
내가 여기도 사거리도 박아줬어.
와우. 감사합니다.
네. 잘 가요.
Bye bye. Wow. Had to pick up my pants. Another thing about Korea, they work so fast.